Says, well, now you go live, that demo, you go live, demo, yeah. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say how are you? Say hi. Not gonna say hi? No? Teeth full of cheese sticks like. What you teeth? What are cheese sticks or chocolate up on your teeth? What up on your teeth?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Where you get chocolate? Who get chocolate?
Angel.
Angel. Who name Angel?
Check.
Who Angel? Who name Angel? Where? She? How she? Who she?
Angel.
Her name Angel.
Here.
Hmm?
Papaya.
She live up her yard.
Yeah.
So what's her name? Who is she to you? You don't know? What do you mean you don't know? What do you mean you don't know? You see her pint pan her? How is she? Oh, your mother. That's your mother? Okay. See, if you didn't tell me, I wouldn't have known. Wouldn't know. Couldn't know that. Just that she named Angel. So like how she named Angel now, why you name now? Angel baby?
Yeah.
You name Angel baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? So the Angel baby name? No? What?
Mother.
Angel baby name mother?
You will get the power bank now.
Why Angel baby for name mother? Mother name Angel? Yeah?
Anything I want bounce in
I say you go mother. So what you like to eat? You like to eat? Okay for lunch there, Maya. You gonna go for lunch? Where we gonna get to for lunch? What we gonna get for lunch? What? Where we gonna eat for lunch? Now, turn the camera on. What we gonna eat for lunch? What you gonna eat for lunch? Nothing for you? What do you mean? How come I have to eat too? What you gonna eat for lunch? Something what? What that? Sausage? I ain't buy no sausage here, man. Yeah? I ain't buy no sausage here. Sausage? I ain't buy no sausage here. No. Nope. 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 Not like that. Nope. 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 No. 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 Nope. Choose something else. Choose something else. Choose something else. Choose something else, someone. Not choose something else. Choose something else, someone. choose something else, baby. You know, choose something else. Ask your mommy why you say what choose.
Yeah.
Ask your mommy what else you could choose. Hmm? Ask your mother what else I could eat. What's that choose?
Them are your babe now.
Ask her what you do. She'll tell you about beef. Eh? Huh?
Ah!
No.
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 No what? Hmm?
Yeah.
No what?
No.
No what? What is that saying to? You want to smoke it, brother? I'm not Angel. What's her name? You say mommy. Yeah. Don't call your mommy Angel. That's rude. You rude? Good. So you say mommy, right? Yes. Don't call mommy Angel, okay? Yes. Let me see your teeth for that chocolate. You have chocolate teeth. You have chocolate teeth. Hmm? You get chocolate teeth. How did you get chocolate teeth? Hmm? You get chocolate teeth. Your mother? Your mother get chocolate teeth? Oh, today? Oh, really? How? I should buy them for you? Should buy chocolate teeth for you? How old are you? My third birthday this year. Your mother buy chocolate teeth? Chocolate teeth? So all the chocolate teeth in there.
Them are your put down below.
No chocolate teeth, right, baby? No chocolate teeth. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Put no chocolate teeth, bro. How it work? How it work? Work today?
Yeah.
So how your chocolate teeth work? I don't know. How it work today? I don't know tell me. So how it work? How your chocolate teeth eat?
Today.
How
That material.
you know that me I try to understand how your teeth work.
On TV,
So how it work? How it work today? How your chocolate teeth eat? Tell me no man, that now you can't tell me. Tell me no man, now listen and wait. Hmm?
Chocolate teeth.
How chocolate teeth work?
The chocolate teeth.
Chocolate teeth eat chocolate. Yeah, chocolate teeth eat chocolate. That's all.
Yeah.
Cheese chips, there.
Yeah.
Yes. Where's the chocolate teeth eat?
The chocolate teeth eat from there.
Where eat on there?
The sausage.
Huh?
In the eater, what are them?
Angel eat a lot.
Yeah.
What angel eat?
The sausage.
Chocolate.
The sausage.
Sausage?
Yeah.
You know if you eat no sausage, don't make mommy give no sausage. Sausage not to eat, you hear?
Yeah.
You tell mommy and mommy give sausage, so sausage not to eat. And I want no.
No.
No, tell mommy say no more sausage not to eat.
No.
See?
Yeah.
The mommy say we have a country, a farm, and a plant food. And take food off our farm and cook now.
Yeah.
Yeah. No sausage for eat. So mommy,
Mommy.
no sausage for eat.
Ha.
Look what I
Me.
The mommy, no sausage for eat. No sausage for eat, no. Mommy better make sure you find some vegetable.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
I give him a phone. Put it on me. Yeah, Jaja.
Demaya, leave my phone.
Demaya, our crime coming. Come on, girl. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that.